Hi, my name is Jeff, and today I'll be talking about how water pollution is damaging our future water supply. Water is an essential part of everybody's life. Everybody needs water to survive. It's nature. But due to many variables, water is getting scarcer. One problem we'll be talking about is water pollution. Water pollution can threaten our water supply for future generations. 97% of water on Earth occurs as saltwater. Of the remaining 3% is freshwater. Two-thirds of that occurs as snow and ice. So only about 1% of global water occurs as liquid freshwater. And most of our freshwater are groundwater. Groundwater is the most abundant freshwater resource, but no matter how abundant it is, water is a limited resource. Even though we can't see groundwater, and it is underground, groundwater can still be polluted. Some groundwater pollution are from nitrate from over-fertilized agricultural land and leakage of petroleum products like gasoline and fuel from underground storage tanks. Groundwater also do interact with surface water, so they can pollute rivers and streams too. Pollution is one of the biggest reasons why water is decreasing. When water is in its water cycle, not all of the water comes back in the same fresh quality. When the water come back, they might run through dirty roofs catching dirty organisms or chemicals which can be harmful to our health if intake. This graph shows how many total contaminants there are in water just from pollution. There are two types of contaminants, regulated and unregulated. Regulated means there are safety standards, so there are ways to prevent them. But there are also unregulated contaminants which do not have safety standards, which is really dangerous because there's nothing stopping the unregulated contaminants. There are many different types of pollutions. Four of the most common ones are agricultural, urban, industrial, and water treatment pollutants. The red line shows unregulated pollutants in each of the four categories, and the green bar shows how many regulated contaminants there are in each of the categories. An example of an agricultural pollutant is fertilizers. Even if they are organic or artificial, serious problems can happen if they contaminate fresh water. It can cause rapid growth of algae known as algal bloom, and some species of algae have toxins that are dangerous to humans. Some other examples of pollutants are solvents and propellants. Both of these are industrial uses. They both contain dangerous chemicals in them which make them pollutants. When pollutants harm our water resources, we get what we call dirty water. Dirty water can be really dangerous to health. There are many diseases that can be caused if you drink dirty water, and some of them can be lethal. These are some type of diseases you can get from drinking dirty water. Some of these diseases include cholera, typhoid, food poisoning, and hepatitis A. Also, there are some natural sources that can also be dangerous, like arsenic. This picture shows you the risk of drinking polluted water with all their symptoms. With all the dangerous pollutants, our freshwater resources is being threatened. One solution to solve our water problem for our future generations is to start conserving water. In every aspect of life, you can find a way to conserve water. Like in the picture shown, you can save water just when gardening. There are also many other ways to conserve water, like collecting rainwater, shortening showers, and turning off faucets all the way. Pollution is threatening our water resources, and in order to protect our water resources, we must start conserving water now. There are many ways to conserve water. We should spread the word to save our future generations. Thank you for listening.